Welcome to the Marineff Boat Moorings materials video. My name is Jess Bone and I'm a research assistant for the Marineff project. This video is going to give you a more detailed look at the materials used for the Marineff boat moorings. A very important part of the Marineff project was to test different concrete formulas to select the right one and to gain a better understanding of the cement and aggregate mineralogy. This means we can ensure the production of a high-quality, durable eco-engineering product that has a long service life, enhances biodiversity, is readily colonizable, and is therefore value for money. It also demonstrates to stakeholders and coastal practitioners that these eco-engineering designs are safe to be in the public realm and form part of coastal infrastructure, whether that be seawalls or breakwaters. The Marineff mooring is comprised of three parts. The bottom section, which ensures the stability of the infrastructure on the seabed, needed to be fabricated with heavy concrete, while the middle and top section was made with seashell-based concrete. Oyster shell is added to the concrete mix to increase the bioreceptivity of the mooring by increasing surface texture. It can also be considered an eco-friendly aggregate, as it uses waste from the shellfish industry that would otherwise be discarded. In order to select an optimal heavy weight formulation, two mixtures, named H1 and H2, were assessed by varying the type of the heavy weight aggregates. The tests conducted on the concrete mixes were undertaken by Marineff's lead partner, ESITC. Different tests were carried out at both fresh and hardened state of concrete. The tests for the physical properties were conducted on cylindrical samples, providing data for density and compressor strength. Concerning the seashell-based concrete, shell aggregates were introduced at a rate of 20% in order to avoid the mechanical strength decrease sometimes seen. Based on the experimental results, the formulation H2 was selected as an optimal heavy-weight concrete as it presents the highest workability, density, and mechanical strength. Thanks for watching. There are more videos in the Boat Mooring series which are listed on screen. Be sure to also visit our social media and the Marineff project website for more resources.